Checking your MacBook battery health is actually very easy, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is go onto the desktop of your MacBook. We're going to go to the upper far left of the screen where we see the Apple logo. We're going to click on this. We're going to come to About This Mac. Now under About This Mac, we're going to click on More Info, and we're going to scroll down on the right and we're going to click on System Report. Under the hardware, we're going to go to Power, and under Power you can see the battery health under Health Information. So we have battery information, it shows the number, it shows the charge information, and here it shows the battery information. Now you can see the battery health, which is the condition here, which is normal. You have the cycle count and you have the maximum capacity. Now that's how you check your MacBook battery health. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.